wabarakatuh. My name is Siva Musdalifah Elnatri, but you can call me Siva. I come from Mamuju, West Sulawesi. I was born July 7, 1993. I come from Mamuju, Waikaya, Karosa. I am study in English Academy Group in Pare. I am study English language, but I want to speak English, write English, dan semuanya. I come from study Al-Aqidah Al-Hasimiyah Jakarta University. My hobby is flying volleyball, flying badminton, flying tackleball, and flying driftboat, and I like writer. My family. I have 3 brothers, 5 sisters, and my father's name is Bakri, Muhammad Bakri, and my mother's name Siti Maisuri. And I have been studying here for 1 week. And before come here, I live in Jakarta. I study in Islamic school. In there, di sana, I wake up every day 3 o'clock. Sun is here, but in here I am very tired. So in here padat. In there I can read book, writer, but in here I don't sempat read book and writer, so
Okay,
I'm
finish.
very tired. Okay, assalamualaikum.